Alright, we've got to put a garbage disposer switch there. We're going to grab the power from the dishwasher power there and run 2 lines in here to plug the garbage disposal into. Alright, the P-trap was on this side before, so we had to cut the main sewer line coming in, reroute the P-trap to this side, buy the parts to get directly over here to the garbage disposer. Now I'm going to run the switch leg down from the switch, the power which comes over from the dishwasher up to the switch box, and then plug her in. Alright, we spliced in that neutral wire and we're good to go on the stove and the garbage disposer. Good work. We're good. I didn't finish that list. That was Madonna, Joseph Smith, Jesus, God. The brain is an organic computer, and in there are chips, computer chips, but they are organic computer chips. How would you build a computer if you had to build it organically? And so one day we will learn to harness this power and this energy correctly. And right now there are primitive means that we actually are tapping into some really base thought in the subconscious mind. But while as we don't have the capability now of using it, I know from my experiences that it is being used.
Who the fuck wants to clean it? It's disgusting and dirty. The sponge on the drainer is stinky and squirty. If you